Left that alone. That cat me name brother and 9 life me have. You think me easy for dead? That now go happen. That will never.
Don't fish
No, sir.
Big feminine name.
No, sir. You just fish just in here.
Barakat. You know say, when we go to school, we know some boy we born natural fish. And we don't have a problem with them.
With them?
No.
No. Because we and them now live them life. Yeah.
To me, you know, the reason why I'm quarreling with the brain nowadays, you see, even though we're joking with sometimes, they understand that sometimes, but not every time.
Yeah.
Mood and attitude.
Yeah.
You don't cuss come down in the lane, you know. One white man, one maga white man, we say about them. I do some work here, and I tell you some focus, and I just say, yo, I talk about black people that come far away, and somehow not lie, and it's some reason, some just tell you about the blood clot. You understand what I say? We come down here, and we go say, Amalek, to Yankee go say, you want me make one thing them, and we go say,
no, you say talisman.
Talisman. And this man how about bro. So me can what
Like
talisman.
talisman.
To me when you say bro,
Sound like you're funny.
I just back it on their mind.
Yeah, man. You just get your cross, man. You
Back it
man?
on their mind, brother.
Yeah, man. You get your cross to show,
Lord,
man.
and I think Lord.
Come stay that way the thing, brother. We get cross the thing, come me know when me know, man.
I bring style that I don't understand. I don't mean alone, Brooksy. Check it out. Every young youth.
Wait, no. Me I go ask you something. You, me I go ask you. Me I go ask you something.
Yeah.
Where brr me?
No, when we say
No, just tell me what that means.
Fix up a statement how far.
Which statement?
What you say?
Me tell you something, you know, sweetwood.
Yeah, you know, so
Sweetwood round a bush on the floor we go cut.
Look how it's so
We use them make all kind of
then
things.
listen when me say no. You say you have food. You every day is black man.
Me ever tell you say me have food? Me ever tell you that? Me ever hold that conversation? When me tell you that, tell me when. Tell the audience. When me tell you that.
Just let that alone.
No man, we are talk man.
You left you outside.
Yeah.
You know say something.
Yeah.
You know
That's
say
what we
something.
do.
The rest of black man never Jamaica.
We tell you that.
We say that have
We
food.
tell you.
Oh, you have to say you know sweet
No
food
black
this,
man
so.
never tell me that. The black man them will tell you.
But no talk, you talk.
You ever tell me that?
Look how much man tells the girl so they would last
You ever
night.
tell me that?
Me never tell her
So
that.
what prove you have say man tell me that?
Me did it when
No man
say
never
so.
tell me that. The man them will tell you and them you at all.
You see how one girl we threw them already and you said that girl let you ride with good enough.
You and your friend them do that.
We not discuss
Me
that
never
with
do
nobody.
that yet with no man.
We
That me I try tell you. So take me out of your something.
You know, some people listen to all different type of name. Who do? Right.
Yo, you remember last man we tell a man say
Boja.
him lick down that last night. You know what I'm saying?
Drop down dead man.
Now girl a pass and Freddy see girl a see it, girl.
Me hide go to me.
Freddy never asked you.
back wife.
Yeah, I go tell Freddy see last night you go lick down that. Right away me look on you and say you lick down that last night. Are your life you lick down you don't know that have yet.
So where we go out of
Him run off and drop that a pretty man up on the same night. I watch that. So when good fear tell people who you turn waistband last night, left it alone.
Never know that, you know. You would know.
I know him would have lived it. I know him would have lived it.
And even know say you have this and good have you no know.
Yeah man, but you girl look good to man now you want man to know say you go there already. You see where you
But
go?
Jamaican man stuff.
No!
Yes.
Me?
Yes.
You want better life than that?
You point for one thing and say, yeah man, no man, I'll give you that.
To who? Who me ever do that to? Who me ever tell that?
Bingy, you know, I say it loud, you know. But you must have one somebody where you tell, say, yeah man.
Feel what make, true what make.
Some people do that, man.
If you know that you know, what benefit me get to tell you?
So every woman your sex a secret.
Yes.
No secret. Me not hide or keep secret, but me I tell you say
So
if
you know,
you
peace, so when you pass the woman and talk to your friend and tell him, say,
You know matter, you know matter, you know matter.
you not trouble me.
that one me now,
You not trouble me, you know. You not trouble me. But you ever hear me I tell a man say a girl will not good and girl will
Hey, you
big.
mean that a man sitting regular?
Which man? Which man?
That's some man sitting.
You.
Tell us, say, you man, don't look for that.
You ever hear me? No, while them conversation there.
All they sitting there.
So what make you never feel like say I feel your wood smart?
I know me and man never do it.
Man come tell you say girl will big.
Hey, me man, look for that. Not about that, no good man. Hey.
So what you say to him?
Then what me fi say?
Me no
We
know.
never go there yet, so
You
we can't
laugh and kick it, say yes, girl will big with you.
Yeah, man.
Do it.
I'm gonna tell you.
I'm gonna tell him friend how that girl will big. How you know? Your friend tell you.
I heard.
So what make you never turn it around? And a man would just
The man never says so.
you could have turned it around.
The man never says so.
I used to have
The man
experience.
said-
But you just believe from such man tell you that.
You could have turned it around the
Do
other
it.
way, you know.
So I don't know things they hear and believe.
What? You in my brain to know what me believe? You just tell me things, man. You know how much me believe it?
And everything you believe in. You
Me
see.
know what me believe.
You believe in the things you know see.
Yes, that's how man just come tell you say a girl will big. You just believe so. That has something to believe.
Then there can be a reason you
Why you
can't
don't
see.
believe that?
No,
Certain
no.
pattern
That
or
has
lead
nothing
up
to
to that.
believe.
Yeah, then you
No, a two thing to that.
So break.
So how you fi just jump believe that so quick?
I don't
A
know.
two thing to that.
Oh, she a live a
don't fuck this
lifestyle and so.
And you can't the man out small.
You can't judge her for
And that we are said to you, so how you are going to judge her this so?
And make you know that.
Then the man ain't
Make
tell
you know if
So but you know say how will big do.
I'm not gonna tell your
And
friend.
the man says
And you are going to tell your friend.
You say your friend
Do it.
and you she that live it look like it can most likely.
Oh. In talk to all the man. Cause you never see a man pan her yet, you know.
Not open.
Don't you?
Yes, no man.
You see man enough man at all. Do it.
But you know who you say it might
Me no know
easy.
nothing, you know. You know. Not me.
Money attack.
Man him a turn waist. And you and him talk, you and him a turn waist too. And him and such man talk, them a turn waist too.
No,
So you use that and say you will
We're
big.
not going to use one seat.
No, you
You
see
see
3
couple
man a
times.
talk to him or 10 man. You say them 10 man and him a turn waist.
Just talk to
So
you,
that
you
cause
see.
him will be big, don't it? A judge alright there side up.
No, no, judge not judging.
How much out of them 10 man that you see a turn waist?
So why that man come and say that?
No,
I say
cause
wicked and lie?
him no most wicked at the experience where him get.
And that's why we say you could have turned it around the other way.
The other way.
Yeah.
Why you know him but just small?
Yeah.
I'm
Just small man. Hey. Yeah.
You go there, you could have said this a girl you know no hole.
But Jack can't small for
Cause you
so it's
bung up
supposed to
this
little
whole
bit.
tight.
No man would never
But you
do
just
so.
take where such man tell you. And I run with it. You get paid for the broadcast.
Me never broadcast, me just keep it to the same.
Then you don't believe? So you can't broadcast it. Yeah man. You believe
Tell
man.
all I'm friend about
Yeah.
that girl they own
Who
big
will
and
big?
never see girl yet.
Say, you might go judge lifestyle. Girl have 10 man friend and not good at one of them and them a sex. Hear the cheer.
Well, listen, you know.
Watch
Which
out.
girl a keep 10 man friend on a one of them?
None of them if it possible to. None of them. You don't know nothing about two man. As some you know you don't know nothing about two man. You don't grade woman, you know. You don't grade woman.
No, me not really done great.
Here we have a woman with the whole of we are par with him and you have a man with him people get fucked. A come the man they come.
I know one man.
Charlie, you well remember
All
when I
right,
tell
all
you
right.
say.
You're not telling like that, son. Why the village woman them same here? Them par around way. But they not getting none away.
How much of them you have
You
for?
chat too much to you know.
Road.
Come like
How
us,
much
man.
of them you have for?
Them
What
go
cost
to
that?
road, go run it
What
up.
cost that?
Now you got talk.
Eh? Either you know no money or you chat too
Ah,
much.
no, then there's no, then there's time.
Remember
to
girl
see
want
it.
money too, you know. So girl now they just can dash all pan broke man so for nothing. You have shop?
Me give them a 2 grand and a 3 grand.
Hey.
They no better than God.
No, if you can't buy a $1 for one night, you might have some girl in the village where we release you and take your 1, 3 grand or whatever. You can't stop no girl in the village. You know how money, you know how shop. You have to reward a girl. Yeah. Girl have money, you know. Looks. White to man.
So man,
White
I'm
to
looking
man.
you.
No, sir. White to man. White to man.
So pretty you not beat again.
No, sir.
Money have to do it,
Pretty
brother. You
youth.
never going one days and year style.
Pretty youth. The man want money.
Looks.
Money, money.
Hey. Looks can go to supermarket.
One time I looked used to do it, man.
One time. When you never have no sense.
Hey, looks can go to supermarket, brother.
Looks.
Right now, you set a money of you for choosing.
Right now, you have to get a turn race, do it. And you have so much looks.
Hey, you're so cute.
Hey. You know what I mean? You get a turn race. Check 11, man. And look how you're cute.
Hey.
And you can't hold a proper turn race.
Pretty like flowers.
Right now, you should have got string out turn way now. Pretty boy, you know. Yeah, man. You should have 5 p and them go turn race.
Yeah, man.
I want to say 3 grand. Now, we're them girls nowadays again.
I mean, you like to buy some pom.
You can't afford man 3 grand. You can't afford man 3 grand.
So, bro, what time of is that buy pom? What time of is that buy pom? Tree? It have pay over 3. Then boy, you go your pay 3 and you go some show in the park. Where you go?
Back road, you
One
go.
show. And you come.
A back road, you go.
I'm catching already, Brooksy.
Rascal, you see that catching already.
See you go like your money?
I didn't hear it. You don't take back your money.
Yeah, I get it back.
Run back what?
See how you live 3 grand?
Yo, fuck, man, burn up.
You
never go and strap.
I'm the anxious, man. I appreciate it.
You go back in there that night, strap up. Why?
I have so much money, bro.
God sent 3 grand just burn up so like when he blow a balloon and he bust. So what, I go ask you something. When you go a go-go club and buy a box for a girl, that girl left him come for your money.
No, sir, I must enjoy my money, man. Once you enjoy
Me tell her, say you have to pay for your own enjoyment, you know.
you give me back my 3 grand if you want.
Yeah, that money you go broke down because the two of we get enjoyment.
Yeah.
So it mean no good for pay for that. The two of we for pay them.
Good enough.
Yeah. I just me alone for come. You not for come.
So me I say, bread, we don't go have something there now, go buy it. Where you go buy pussy or buy a pop? No, man, know where him go buy. Where you go buy pussy or buy a pop? No? Ah, kind of people.
Go buy pussy. I can't ever tell us that pussy I feel.
Hey, I feel pussy and your name right in this.
Yeah, fuck this, I tell us that this I feel. You want him again. You're not taking. You're not telling him yes, I feel.
Oh, come.
What you telling him? Me ask you something. When a girl tell you that this I feel, what you telling him?
You must have to tell him, yeah, that's the answer.
That mean you have pussy then?
No, you know me.
You know you mean yes.
So, when I get say pussy, I feel when you gonna work my play for your yard, you know?
And he can't do that. He can't do
So
that.
when a girl tell you that, you believe?
They know you have to believe that.
You believe.
Then you say,
Right? That's all.
No, if it's kill the argument fast, man.
No man, this argument of it dead. Me I tell him plain say can't. Hey.
oh,
Oh, son of me, me not bad with this.
pussy.
Son of me. It's sweet here, you say
Cheat the other one fucker, you say, bread, you know,
You know, I'm not like you no kill yourself when girl go cheat.
yeah, can
Then you go say, girl go give her your
pussy,
pussy.
and then you go give her next man, you know.
Yeah, girl give her your pussy.
Yeah.
I fuck with you there, so I'm done. Gay already, so you should go give it to you again.
And that's why you don't go to fuck record and just believe say girl give this to you.
Alright, so
Why make you never bond with it if you did
I
want it?
feel for you.
Oh,
Then you not tell us how I feel.
No, then if you did want it, make you not bond with it.
You know, man.
So we are going to do the pussy and where you having your
That's how we are mean.
We are going to do with the two of
You're
them.
born with car?
car. We buy car.
You're born with house?
We make house, buy house.
And now when you make car, you buy a feel.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey.
You spend enough money for this.
Pussy
And
can
you
never
see
be
a
feel.
feel.
No, see you
And
now,
that
man.
woman put
Girl
it
born with pussy.
So, bro, you may say, if you ban out, you know, if you say,
Yeah.
ban out, man, you
That's
better
why
off,
you
know.
can't buy.
If you
You
ban
buy a
out,
comb.
you better off, you know.
No.
You
Is
don't
that
just
comb you
struggle.
buy?
No, I don't think about that. No.
Sit down by your pussy, a man can work.
Oh!
Yeah, but we buy house still, you know.
Don't be
Man, you don't mind your hand, you know.
Sit down by your pussy, a
Yeah,
man.
man.
No,
Yeah, man, you don't have to go to tight, sir.
Brother, they're full of people in the
You sit down by your pussy, a man.
You don't have to tight, sir, God.
No, I'm born as boy.
You're alright, man. Yeah, man, you're alright, man. You know, still in my yard for pussy, man, man.
Yeah, man. Look how you got, Lily. Look how you got,
Girl,
Lily.
you live hairstyle and nails, guy, just them pussy and look at them.
Oh, that better life for you, man.
If you born a girl,
Couldn't buy a girl, buy a boy.
Then here,
Alright, you see me.
girl tell you say pussy a fear and you say
Hey.
Then you know just ask you say if Ray, you know. You have a good life, man.
How many months you tell the same thing?
Now I'm gonna think you don't enough you would still, but you don't have to work so hard, brother. As you come out here and smile, that man you get money, we see them the good look. And you want. So we have to make a piece of butter now.
Probably all me not eat me out to pussy.
How would I, man, I'm your no daps.
How do you have more dogs?
Probably
No, we're not talking about no, pin that past my there.
Oh, you don't know about that.
Pin that past my there. You could have been a girl. Ooh.
Yeah, man, how would I, I'm your daps,
Yeah,
man.
man,
I remember say daps a run shop, you know.
Yeah, man.
I got pretty girl in Ireland, you know.
How do you have
How
more
would I
dogs?
feel I'm your daps, man?
Ah, now that come here and lost half of you, you know.
How you mean?
Ah, I don't know what you know, that's enough to make you steer in the yard.
I remember you, the maga, so you know.
Some only now watch out for living son.
We watch.
Look how living look nice over there.
Yeah, man, the woman, them have to get big up,
So,
man.
me
No matter
Every
what
time.
go on.
So me I say, I say,
Yes, man, the woman, them have a power,
Remember say,
brother.
woman, a woman, I know.
You wanna say
I'm
woman
a big up
good
on yourself,
and
woman,
woman
all over the world, yeah.
Man,
Big up all woman.
Our grandmother,
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
we
Nothing
auntie.
wrong with it.
So we can, if you are cause woman, that means say you are cause your mother, you are cause your sister, your auntie, and the whole of them, your niece.
So you win a cuss woman and we no
We no-
condemn
yeah.
woman. Cause woman bring we here, you know.
We just talk it,
A
we
woman
just
make the whole of
talk
we
it.
there.
just say going everybody look.
Yeah.
That's why when me hear no customer, me no like, you know.
Getting everybody say just move on and go try again.
Any man that me hear a customer, me no like.
Yeah.
No, you know what? Well, no, we are
Individual
cause
like
a
when you and somebody
particular
have
woman,
something.
you know, yeah, one
Yeah, and
particular
somebody.
woman
No,
you
somehow
know,
no just cuss, gal, man.
No, you can't do that.
Straight, man.
Some people do.
When
Right now, let me tell you now some honesty. You see, I call the whole of it there now. One man will pop up with all a woman. And no man not happy for you.
Them not sure the love.
A man happy for the man will come here more with the woman. When me seen enough of who know.
Yeah, they don't make the woman
Then me a
feel
idiot, them
comfortable.
no see it,
Yeah,
man. No man nah give the woman no attention, brother.
Straight, I don't see man them up.
No, but
And the man them a pray,
you know,
brother.
say Jamaican man different.
Brother, we need to
Man,
change
I
our
go see
lifestyle,
your
man,
power
and
with
do
the
better.
woman,
man.
yeah, and a man up front with the woman. So
But no man now welcome her like how they welcome the man. You know, if you up front with the man like you look
Yeah, you
her.
just say pick up yourself, mama.
Yeah, you make she useful at the scene, same way.
Try and make she
Look how you make her brethren useful. Man, up in them brethren, some man go buy guineas, come give them brethren. Where you buy the girl?
no,
Where you buy her?
No.
And you go buy guineas, come give such
When you
man.
say me and all of my virgin them and the woman good too. See?
Alright, look here. A man will go in a bar, you know. And see 4 man in a bar. And he had a 4 guineas for the 4 man and 1 for himself and he no buy the
And he no
bar.
You know, buy a bartender, no.
Eh.
What sign you a show me say?
You know, like, come on.
You no like woman, brother.
And one man come and beg her drink,
You
you tell him you don't have it.
Eh.
But
You
you
tell
know
you
say,
buy
tell
the
him
4
you don't
man
have it.
dragon and big guineas. Eh. And you're not.
Girl
teaching
drink
for the
one
buy
supplement, yeah, of course.
Mm.
You tell girl if you had a drink and intake supplement. Where you did want intake bag juice?
Arrow.
Where you did want she fit take?
But
One
if the
drink
man
around.
he takes up a Jenny, have a problem.
Him not have a problem because the Guinness not just like the supplement the man take.
Yeah.
So what the problem you have the woman take a supplement?
You're going to say woman takes supplement.
But you have some of them overdo it too.
Nothing no overdo man. Woman beg you drink and you say take a drink.
Remember you never tell him take rum, you know? You say like take what you
You
want.
did say baby it's a rum me can buy you.
Yeah.
you never take
can get
specific.
Yeah, you tell her take a drink.
Me tell you say that me can't afford. Yeah.
So by
She take a
by
drink.
rights, you have to pay without that, pay for that without even a frown.
No frowns, brother. You say pay for that.
Are you
gladly.
behind that
When you tell her,
argument?
Yeah,
when
When
you
you want.
when you meet a girl and tell her,
Automatically, you could have tell her, say, take a drink of compare.
Be a long time
Fit pay for what she take.
take, brother.
Yeah.
Just not take fear of your friend.
Alright, just
No.
take. For yourself.
Buy your
Yeah.
drink, brother.
Alright, you know our next thing, our next problem. You go one place, and you order.
You have to prepare for people.
And when you order and then tell you a price, yeah, say, this is so much for rare. If you could pay for
Why you never ask how much first?
before you
How much
order.
for that and how much for
And
that?
Why
when
you
you
never
order
ask?
and hear the price,
Yeah.
now you have to say rare.
Most people when they come and shop,
And
they
majority
ask how much you that before they buy the
Yeah.
supplement.
Yes, because
When
they
you have
judge them pocket.
Yes, so they
Yes.
ask how much you that.
Them judge them pocket.
When you
Yeah.
go
They not just
order,
come buy. And when they have them,
before
when
you
people have them
know the
pocket
price,
money, they still ask how much you
Yeah,
that.
automatically you
They
can
say
pay
that's
for
how
You
you
can't
can
pay
pay
for how much them tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah, nah, the thing with them tell you, you
You're
can't
supposed to can pay them
Yeah.
because you go and you
Because you
order
don't want
first.
to
You
know
never
much
ask the price. You go and you just order.
Right, so you prepare for pay for that.
Just
Yes.
So if you know your packet stay, you go ask how much you want dragon, you know.
Yes.
Before you order for.
Yes.
So if they are
Then no
tell
one
you-
50 you have.
You
And a
can't get
250
4
for
runs, so
dragon.
you can't get 4
So you have to go in go ask, you know.
You come in here, order one dragon.
Oh, but you know you tick up something.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
so
yeah,
you ask
yeah.
man, 'cause
Yeah,
4 dragon
from-
can't do no
Yeah.
yeah.
no,
I
yeah,
am
yeah,
talking
yeah.
about your
Yeah,
cost.
don't
You
do it, pa.
can do for yourself so dear and rare.
You just order big and all the time.
Big and tell about that.
But
Take
if the
anything
money
you want.
limited, you have to ask first.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Look good, I like you said, take anything
I
you
say in
want.
an election, me go up
And
on
when
the
you
shop.
have to pop out everything.
Yeah.
Up a shop, go see some politician. When me go up there, me see mommy I sell Heineken and beer.
True.
Yes, one of them such man come with the politician people them. Yes. Him go in a shop, say him want a Heineken. Everybody had a take and come out. Him asks mommy how much for Heineken. Mommy tell him how this beer car which part him stop and buy Heineken the war and not price.
Time I pay a bill.
PM pussy wall.
Wait now that. God so good me a come.
And I hear
time.
dirty blood clot.
So I'm going to hear me and say things there. And that myself where me a go do. And that myself I tell mommy him stop power and that. Me say yo I owe you. Cause me stand up back him and do
Listen,
we you
listen to
know.
party, me.
I owe you. Where you do? Mommy a tell me now the happenings with him. Me tell him say come out. Don't even get a drink in here. A matter of fact no stand up here. Go down so left. Left the scene.
To buy where you used to buy cheap.
Oh, they full of people here.
What do you mean?
Yes, you have to left. Cause me tell him say you can't come here come make no price.
Yeah, because big
Me
large
tell
one
him
there
so
now,
the
you know.
blood clot. Me tell him say Kuya you can't buy a serve me long a blood clot.
Yeah.
People out there sit down with money for pay for where you
Yeah,
drink.
so it's a deal.
And you come in a boy cut the woman blood clot.
When tell mommy put on more money marks, so it's a deal.
Yes, that's only come back him and then me tell him say left the scene.
And so it's
Left the
system
scene man,
always
go
say-
way down so go stand up and wait for them till them ready.
Yeah, so
And
it's
if
a
the
deal.
black man I try hold on and next
Me
black
tell them say me can't buy half all wine
And he
there.
does his
All wine there me buy them and me make them in there and me make all liquor in other shop.
You feel glad say woman and
So
make
who
her
don't
money.
come here come buy nothing who you. Just run when bomb clot and tell him don't come back here.
Yes, no man.
Blood clot, man. You know how to place your one. You come here, come all right. Yeah.
Show claims
Yeah.
and tell you, man, how to sell it something.
Yeah, you know how to place your blood clot.
Tell
Come.
you man, something here.
Car money can't make you
Yeah, me I say.
You can something and give me something there.
Daddy.
Yeah.
You say if it above my budget and me feel say it no
Him
worth
don't
that
have a
price.
budget
No,
there.
but when me I say if
Him
I
just
me
come
feel
for
say it
drink.
no worth that price, me left. Me not go consider say you
But
too
brain, me
dear.
say the man can't buy a Mataran.
Yeah, and you go consider.
Him just need to order smoke and
And
drink.
cut.
And cut.
Just order what you
Yeah,
want.
yeah.
Yeah, cut. You don't need to know
That
price.
stop,
You
then
come
stop,
and
you
pick
order
us up
one
a
something
half
drink
price.
too.
Yeah,
I think kind
pimp.
of man.
You're
Pimp,
pimp,
man.
no.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
you
no
order
comes
like
down,
no price
Put
above.
him out.
You're just a follower. Such man.
Such man.
Such man.
The first thing me I do from me reaching there, I order what me
Come
want.
in away for that sell for 2 or 250, you know.
Right away.
Then I will
Or
for that.
300. Or 300.
And one time in a blue
Once
one,
in
then
a
come
blue
in
one,
the
then come.
face, brother.
Like you want to stop poor people food. Who you?
Everywhere you go, so you go.
What Brooks say? Why worst thing then walk with the money for spending.
Spend.
So any month you tell them you know they're willing to pay you.
I saw poor people that make a money off of them.
So we are gonna make a money.
Yeah.
Little change, you can stop up a thing.
They go tap up more. They know to enough. You think they don't know?
That's why they do it.
When they
When
come
they
to the corner
think
shop,
they
you
do
know
it.
things they come to make you make a money.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
When you see Andrew on the strike 3 village and stop there, some big meeting go on a shop yourself this evening. You know, this is bro God knows say alright.
You are going to make a money.
That's him make $200 for everything, you know.
Yeah.
And you feel no say $200 go on for everything.
Can intelligence
night.
Cause they not ask you say what make them so dear, you know.
No, so they not look like
Can
That
you
them
say
now.
one thing, you know? You say for
Yes, man,
50,000
then
come
we are
out
fine.
to
The
the
cholera. The
And then I
cholera
go come and have
around
problem and
Yeah.
have too much fear in it.
Yeah.
And because the divide and rule is the right back.
You say like in the kid,
Right
you
back
keep shop.
to the divide and rule.
Yeah, man.
And you,
Why man come and flip
Grabbing
the
a
shop
barrel
and say
is
that
taking
you
on
money.
Yeah, man.
Alright,
Them
alright.
too much.
the man we are
You
check,
not get the money.
the man we are checking money, I just a regular man like me and you.
Just one regular
And
man.
him just now want to see me and make a money.
If
and
they
him
say
not.
PF you around, him can't start. So we are make trouble for Papa, not just drink and enjoy yourself.
Alright, that's all you need to do. You don't need to business board the money.
Yeah, man.
You see, friend and tell them, say them come with 50,000 to spend. When they spend out and it done, then done. So make them spend it.
$50,000, that's what they
And
say.
you have to
Them
spend.
friends are
So
just
you have
yesterday, man,
50
come.
the right,
Yes,
that's
them
them
yesterday, man,
come.
come.
Yeah.
Whole of
And
Jan.
all a little fun and time with it.
Yeah, 'cause them friends so whole pass money locate.
So the shop you're gonna make a money tonight.
No, man, but you will come back at them.
Yeah.
Feel like it's all about you.
You. And you feel have make this where the shop have make.
Yeah,
And you feel
yeah,
get
it's
something
all
like
about
this.
you.
And
I
that's
have
your
to
thing.
come with first bag.
If it's all about you, they would not come here.
Yeah, because you have the first bag too.
Alright. They might have to come here say it's all about you.
Yeah.
Take politicians.
So when you come here and make trouble for.
If you don't put a vote to me, you know.
Them might have to come and
They
make
would
trouble.
have come here,
Because
so.
them they don't have you already.
Yes.
So it's not all about you now, you're just a follower with them. So just sit back and eat, and if I drink is there for you, have a
Just
drink.
enjoy the royalty.
Where you fi do now, I try have somewhere for them come.
Alright.
That's all you have to do now.
Alright.
Try have somewhere now for them
them
come.
come.
Where you are
I
going
didn't know you like that already.
Alright.
So just try get a
So we
little
are
corner
trying to
shop.
stop my liquor with Sabota.
Yeah.
What me fear get.
Hey. You want
Just
blood
like
clot,
crab in a
mate,
barrel.
man. Hey.
One crab a try come
Dead.
out and the next one dry
Yeah,
back
man.
down, man.
Yeah man, and find somewhere else got to man. Yeah man.
Everybody a climb on top of them.
No. Go on where you
Get
go.
leak.
You
Yeah
want to
man.
buy a drink jacket.
You can't
He
buy it,
not
so
buy
just
nothing.
left.
I
Yeah,
ain't
just
not buying
left.
them.
So
I come with
don't
the
get a
dividend
free
though.
drink then,
But-
just left.
You see if you
Yeah,
check
nah,
the stats
that
book,
beer.
see,
A such man. Man, no come